Hello, welcome to Yogateket, and my name is Guy Powiecki. I am going through the different pranayama techniques, and we've got these short tutorials on each one, and the idea is you'll watch them, you'll become familiar with the techniques, and then you'll either practice these things on your own, or you will use them when you go through the pranayama classes that we have here on Yogateket. But you'll already be familiar with the techniques. So today's technique is called shitali. And shitali, it translates as something like the one that cools. It's a very cooling, very calming pranayama. And for those of you that are familiar with Ayurveda, this idea of the three doshas in the body, pita, which is this sort of activating, heating energy in the body, can sometimes become out of balance, and shitali is cooling, calming for that. It's also removing excess acidity from the body. Again, something that's important, and with the pace of life that we have today and the level of stress that most people are living under, anything that we can do that helps cool and calm us down is very useful. So the technique, it's a breathing in through rolling the tongue and making almost a straw with the tongue. So it's probably easier if I actually just show it first of all. And then exhaling out through the nostrils, both nostrils at the same time. And you can actually almost feel it, that the air that's coming in through the tongue has this coolness to it. And obviously the eyes would be closed. If I'm keeping my eyes open, it's just for looking at the camera. If you cannot roll your tongue, this making of this straw shape in the tongue, there's actually some people that cannot, and it's actually just a genetic thing. Some people cannot roll their tongue, in which case then put the teeth together and kind of draw the air through the teeth. And then again exhaling out through both the nostrils. If you're doing that second technique, drawing through the teeth, it's called shitali, whereas the other one through the tongue is shitali. And I'll just talk you through a few rounds in your own time. So either rolling the tongue, making the straw, or if you cannot, then drawing through the teeth. So inhaling through the tongue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Closing the mouth, exhaling out through both nostrils. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rolling the tongue, inhaling through the mouth. For 2, 3, 4. Closing the mouth, exhaling through both nostrils. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rolling the tongue, inhaling through the mouth. 2, 3, 4. Closing the mouth, exhaling through both nostrils. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is a technique that we're going to use a lot in the pranayama classes here at Yogateket. Or it's another technique which has a lot of benefits just done on its own. So this is very much something that you can practice at home, maybe doing 10 rounds, 12 rounds, or if you have the time, more, up to 20, 24. You can really, you could do as many as you want, as many as you have the inclination for. But paying attention to the fact that the exhalation is double the length of the inhalation. And anytime that you're feeling that you need to just calm down, just to cool down a little, then this pranayama is one of the best for that. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll look forward to seeing you again.